Good day friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to change Shopify time zone. Okay, so firstly we need to open the store's general administrative settings. So from your admin dashboard, you navigate to settings right here in the bottom left. In the left menu bar, make sure you are on the general settings tab just like I am. Scroll down past your store profile and business details until you reach the store defaults section. Alright, and under this section, which is right here, store defaults, make sure you're on this one. We are ready to update our time zone settings in the dropdown and apply the changes obviously. So under the store defaults, you can locate the time zone field, which is this one right here. Click on this drop-down menu to open the full list of worldwide regional time zones, as so. And just scroll through them and select your primary, local time zone or market region. Okay, and then let me choose Warsaw for example. And after that, you just press save here on top and you will push your changes into the world. And also guys, a little pro tip. So how does changing your time zone affect existing store data and third-party apps? So changing your time zone never alters historical past orders, but immediately updates future reporting. So if you use marketing tools like Klaviyo or schedule flash sales, just double check your automated campaign timers and app settings so your marketing emails and sales don't launch at unexpected hours. So that is it. Choose this, apply, save here on top, and you're good to go. Enjoy.